Hey there, I'm Drew Barantini, VP of Product at Scite, and I want to show you a new feature that we have called Saved Settings. So I'm here inside of Assistant, and you can see that if we click on the gear icon and get the Assistant Settings modal, there's now this new label that'll show you that we're using the default settings. And if I change any of these, so let's say I just change the model here, you're going to see that there's an indicator to let you know that you've changed from the default of GPT-5 Nano to 4.5 Haiku. Now, if I go over to Save Settings, you can see I have no save presets, but if I make some changes and save a preset, they're going to show up here. So we're going to go and we're going to select Claude Opus 4.6. We're going to set a long response length, and we're going to set the number of publications to consult to 50. I'm going to save this preset, and I'm going to call it the Thinker. You can optionally set this as a default setting so that every time you come and visit Scite, it's going to preload that specific preset every time. You can always change this later if you want to. I'm going to leave it off, and we're just going to save this. So you can see now that the Thinker shows up as a save setting. It is immediately toggled on and activated here. So if I hit apply, this is now applied to this next assistant setting until I change it. You could also edit to change the name, change the default setting, and you can also delete. So if you want to remove that preset, you can always do that. Let's add another one here. So I'm going to say GPT 5.2. We're going to do medium, reasoning effort, and then I'm actually going to select a specific dashboard that I have for chromosome segregation here. And let's go ahead and save that with that same name, chromosome segregation. I'm not going to set it as the default. Going to save it here. So you can see what it did is it deselected the Thinker that was active and selected chromosome segregation. You can only have one active at a time. So you can see I'm toggling between these two, and only one will ever be active at a given moment. And when you apply that, it's applied to the current session that you have. Now, the benefit of this is you can go through all of the settings and you can apply all the settings that you want, even selecting multiple journals or publications and having those stored on a setting preset. So we're really excited about this feature and this functionality, and would love to get any and all feedback that you have to continue to make this better, because we plan on building on top of this to make your assistant experience more configured for the work you're doing inside of research. Thanks.